times.
Hey Patrick,
Hey, what?
are you Patrick?
You're really good at that.
Bye.
You're really good at that.
No,
Oh,
this is Patrick.
Oh, SpongeBob. Oh, Patrick. I hate Krabby Patty. Oh, my name is Squidward.
What? Hello, bro.
that's
Where
so
are your
good.
sock?
That's so good.
Ah, thank you so much. I think I like SpongeBob movie.
You like SpongeBob?
Yes, I like SpongeBob. I watching SpongeBob every day, bro.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Ich wurde als cool bezeichnet.
Bye. Hey Patrick, wanna hear jokes? Hey,
Yeah.
my name is
Hey.
SpongeBob. You look so
Yeah,
Patrick.
yeah. Well, I'm not Patrick.
Yes, you Patrick.
No, I'm not Patrick.
Good night, Patrick.
Oh man, I love you.
Okay, bro. What's your name, bro?
My name? Oh, I don't like my name.
What? Wait.
Ah, my
Why don't you like?
my name is Joel.
É o primo do Xanga.
Shoo. Shoo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yes.
Sim.
Whoa. Shoo. Shoo. I like Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo is the best player in the world, in my opinion, bro.
Facts.
Okay. Sam? You Sam?
For sure.
Oh, okay. Nice, bro.
あらあら。もしもし、大丈夫ですか？何ですか？
Nanay, really, really. I love you, Vietnam.
ちょっと待て。
Tama na.
やめてください。
Oh, yeah?
Why are you low? Why?
What?
I think this is not funny, bro.
Hi. Are you Georgie?
Oh my god.
Hi, Georgie. I'm Pennywise.
Is... What's that?
Yes, right.
Hello, bro. Hello. This is my voice reel.
Perfect. Perfect.
Thank you.
YouTuber?
No, yes.
YouTuber?
Actually, I'm YouTuber in Indonesia.
YouTuber. Number YouTube chat.
Okay, I can type. Wait. Don't skip me, bro. Okay.
YouTuber.
Var você acha pedir? Agora você vai
You can reading in my channel.
Subscribe.
Oh, okay. Hey, you know, you watching SpongeBob?
SpongeBob.
Bye. Hey Patrick, wanna hear jokes?
Oh
Good
my
night,
God.
Patrick. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Bye.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
Hey, you from Portuguese?
Yes, my friend.
Okay, bro. Wait, bro. Make you something, bro. Okay, you know Ronaldo?
Oh,
Wait. Oh shit, man. Shoo. Oh. Shoo. Okay, bro. But I like very like Ronaldo, bro. Ronaldo is the best player in the world.
best player ever, man.
Yes, the best player ever is caught.
Yeah, he is.
Yes. Oh wait. What's your name, bro?
My name?
Hmm?
Andre.
What?
Andre.
Andre. Oh, good.
Mine is Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Yeah.
Oh, I
What's
know.
your name?
I know Ricardo Kaka. You know?
What's your name?
My name is Sandy. Can you guess my country?
Yes, Japan.
No. I'm using VPN and I'm using in server Japanese because actually I'm from Indonesia.
Okay.
Yes. You know Indonesia in Asia?
Yes, I know.
Oh, good. Come on, come here, bro. In Indonesia.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
we are thinking in going like summer vacation. You know, in a trip.
Oh, okay.
Kawaii baka uvu. Uvu.
Hey,
Yamada kuda.
can you say ara-ara?
Ara-ara.
Listen me, okay? Don't skip me. Listen.
あらあら、やめてください。
What? Nani kore?
Japan.
Yes. I'm from Japanese. You know?
Yes.
Okay, you can speak Japanese.
No.
Okay. I can teach you in Japanese language. Okay. How are you? How are you in Japanese? Ogenki desu ka?
Okay.
Ogenki. Oge.
Okay.
Oge.
Okay.
Ki.
Ki
Desu ka?
desu ka?
Ogenki desu ka?
Oh.
Ogenki desu ka? Sugoi ne.
Okay.
Hey, what's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Wait.
Can you type your name?
Yes.
Rumeisa.
Yes.
Oh, I love it. Your name is so unique. Hey, you so cute.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Can you teach me in Germany language? I think Germany language is so hard.
Yeah.
How are you in Germany?
Wie
We
geht's
kids,
dir?
we kids there.
Yes.
Yes, really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I think my accent is bad.
It's good for.
Oh, thank you,
yeah.
Rumeisha. Okay, and then so my name is Sandy.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to.
Hi, Georgie. Are you Georgie? I'm Pennywise. Where are you from?
Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Why are you talking like that?
Okay, it's not a problem. Hey, what's your name?
Mia.
Mia. Oh, okay. You know Mia Khalifa in Japanese?
Yes.
But
I know.
you from Korea? Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Hi. You're from Korea? Hi.
Look at this.
What? Nani? What the hell? How, bro? Hey, wait. You know cartoon made America?
Huh?
You know cartoon? Sorry, you know cartoon?
I don't know.
You know SpongeBob. You know Mickey
Oh,
Mouse.
yeah, I know.
You know Minion. You know Scooby Doo. You know?
Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay. I want to impersonate cartoon voice right now, okay?
Sorry, I don't understand.
I want to impersonate cartoon voice right now in Omegle. You not understand?
Yeah,
Ah.
I'm not good at English. Sorry.
Okay, wait. You know SpongeBob?
Bye. Hey, Patrick, wanna hear jokes? Hey, my name is SpongeBob.
Wait. Bro. Hello.
Hello,
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
I'm in Germany. Why are you
Yeah.
loud?
What?
Why are you loud?
Oh, I don't even know. Just I'm happy, Selma. Yeah.
Actually, I'm from Indonesian, but I'm living in Japanese.
That's nice.
Yes, not nice.
No,
Can you speak Japanese?
no, sorry.
Okay.
No.
Okay, I can teach you in Japanese language. You right?
Okay.
Okay. How are you in Japanese? Ogenki desu ka? Oh? Try. Oh?
That's very yeah.
Okay.
I can teach you German.
Yes, okay. Can you teach me
So,
in Germany language?
Yeah, I can.
How are you in Germany? What?
Wie geht es dir?
Can you repeat?
Wie
We
geht
kid?
es
We kid? Sorry.
es
Kes?
dir?
Dear. We kid.
Genau.
I don't know. Sorry. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Sorry.
It's okay. German is very complicated.
I think Germany is so hard language.
Yeah, cause the grammar is complicated.
Yeah, it's so hard. I don't believe. I don't know.
But I think Japanese is also very complicated. So
You like anime?
yeah.
You watching which anime?
I probably think hamsters, but yeah. What's
You
your
watching
favorite?
Naruto, One Piece?
No, I'm sorry. I'm not like anime fan or
Oh.
something like that.
Naruto or One Piece is not famous in your country.
A little bit. Like I think 10 from my friends are watching Naruto and something like that.
Okay, that's good.
But I'm not.
Hey, wait, what's your name? Sorry,
Sarah.
Sarah.
Yeah.
Can you
What's
type
your
your name?
What's your name?
My name is Sandy. Yes.
Okay.
I have to name. In Indonesian, call me Sandy, or in Japanese, call me Hiru.
Okay.
Hiru. You know?
Yeah. So my name is in German. It's Zara, and
Zara.
in English it's Sarah, and
Sarah. Yeah, Zara.
in
Zara.
Russian it's Sofinka.
I think I like your name because, but your name is so unique.
Oh, thank
Really?
you.
Okay, you're welcome.
It's like in Germany. I think every third person is named Sarah. So
Yeah, Zara. Good. I love it, Zara. Hey, how old are you?
what?
How old are you?
I'm 17.
17. Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You
How
look
old are
so
you?
younger. Okay.
I'm not.
Can you guess?
How old are you?
Can you guess I'm age? Can you guess?
Oh my god, I don't even know.
I don't school. Can you guess I'm age?
So you're between, I don't know, 14 and 20?
No,
You're
I'm
old?
19.
You're 19? Yeah,
Yes,
that's okay.
19. I think my face should look old.
No, I was
No?
thinking that you're like 16 or 17 years.
Okay.
But
I'm so
look like
same.
20.
Oh, okay. Hey, you have IG, sorry. Zara, you have IG. Instagram.
Yes, I have.
Can I get your IG, Zara?
Yeah, I can give you. Wait.
Okay, thank you so much.